Okay, I was having my bath, and she was sitting on the edge of the tub, and she got her tail in the water and just let it sit there. She keeps trying to catch it. I had to get out of the tub to try and stop her. I tried to dry it off a bit, but she just keeps going after her tail, and it's just too funny for words. Can you catch it, Darlin? You're silly. Are you dizzy yet? Aren't you dizzy yet? Come here. He's like, no, I gotta catch the wet tail. I gotta clean it. Oh my God, you're such a nut bar. You're a character. Darlin! Come here. Did you catch it? We'll clean it up now. You silly girl. You silly girl. That's better. You got it.